Hi guys, welcome to Tech Sunjay YouTube channel. Today you will know how to see a page information. If you any visit on any page, website, blogs, you will take the information of that page. Okay, in Chrome browser. Okay, then let's begin. First of all, open our Chrome browser. Okay, if you want to visit any pages, you can search and go through that website. Suppose if you want to take the information about the page information, you will click on three dot option. Okay, and click on that information I button, that is information. You will see that the page information will be displayed at your topmost of screen. Okay, it is Chrome navigator your. Okay, this is the nice trick. I repeat this process. If you take the information about that the page information, that is secure or not, go to three dot option and click on page information. From the right side, page information, you will see your page information, okay, of that website. Thank you.